Hello everyone. In today's class, we will see how to create a singleton class with a minimum standard in single-threaded environment. After that, in upcoming classes, we will see next how to write a perfect singleton class in multi-threaded environment with cloning proof, with serialization proof, or everything about a singleton classes. So, uh, in real time, we will see that there are different offices where we use a single printer in multiple systems with multiple systems. So I will write here one printer class because printer is the only one objects and that is a share with the different systems. I will write here class printer. Okay, I will create here one variable that will use to store the object or refer to that particular object. A private static. I am writing static. In next upcoming class, I will tell you private static. I am storing a printer object. That's why reference type is a printer. Printer, and this variable is a private static. That's why I'm writing a capital letters. Okay. When we design the singleton class, then compulsory we should have to declare the constructor as a private. Private printer. I will write here stress or zero param constructor. Zero param constructor. Okay. Here public, because constructor is a private, then how to create a object? That's why I need to write a one method that is a publicly available in the next classes, which will give me the object of printer class, and that is the only one object. When we call that method, it will give same object minimum every time. It will give the same object. Okay. Public static printer printer type, the method name like a get instance. Okay. Why I'm getting here error? Because this method must return a result of a type printer. Because I written here return type is a printer. That's why it expecting something return type. That's why I'm getting here red line. Okay. Then instance equal to new printer. New printer. Okay. Return instance. This is a singleton class with a minimum standards. Then I call printer test. Here main method. I will write here printer p1 equal to, and see here this method is a static. That's why we need to call with a class name. I will write here printer dot get instance. It will give me the same objects. Out or F11. Printer zero param constructor means object creation is a successful. When we create the object, that time only the constructor will call automatically. Okay. Or different object creation is restricted or not, we will check. Printer p2 equal to new printer. Share constructor is a private, That's why the visibility for this constructor is not available in another classes. So we written here singleton class with a minimum standard successfully. In upcoming classes, how to enhance this class or how to write a perfect singleton with a clonable proof, serialization proof, or with a double check, or many lazy instantiation, eager instantiation, everything we will see in upcoming classes. So bye bye everyone, take care.